Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this chemical. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Pyrid is a pyrethrin and Pyrid Aerosol Insecticide. This product is a synthetic pyrethroid that works by interfering with the insect's nervous system. Pyrid controls many different species of insects, but we typically recommend it primarily for indoor and outdoor use to control crawling insects like bedbugs, roaches, and spiders, but also flying insects like wasps, flies, and mosquitoes. Before using Pyrid, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. Pyrid comes in an easy-to-use aerosol can, no mixing necessary. Shake the can thoroughly and you're ready to spray. Pyrid also comes with a second applicator tip for crack and crevice treatment. Simply pull off the white fan spray applicator and press the red crevice spray applicator on the tip. Pyrid is a contact spray. Apply the product from a distance of 24 inches to get even coverage. Allow the product to drift down to the insect and do not apply more than 10 seconds of spray per room until the product completely dissipates. For crack and crevice treatment, use the red application tip to spray directly into cracks, holes, and other small openings where insects may be present. Keep all pets and people out of the treated areas until they're dry. Pyrid does not have a residual effect. After application, keep the area well ventilated for at least 15 minutes before returning. Pyrid is not an instant kill. Once the insect comes into contact with the chemical, it begins to work its way into the insect's nervous system and will kill within 10 minutes, depending on the pest. Pyrid can be reapplied as needed, but remember to let the area ventilate after application. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll need a liquid concentrate and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with treatment methods that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card on the top right to get more information. Pyrid is intended to be a contact spray application and kills the insects it touches very quickly. It is made from an extract of the chrysanthemum flower, and because of this, it is considered by many to be a natural pesticide. This also means that it does not leave a residual. Once the product dries, it dissipates and it's gone. If this is a concern, check out Novicide, which treats similar pests and has a long residual effect.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.